Hi guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to bring the outdoors in with quick DIYs and a potpourri of plants. We're going to make a small garden in my bedroom, so keep on watching.
So this is my room. As you can see, it's quite small, but I love it. It's pretty and cozy and it's my favorite room in the house. After a lot of thinking, I have decided where I'm going to be adding the plants, and now it's time to figure out what plants I should be getting.
I visited a plant nursery and it turns out it isn't that easy just picking out plants for your room. I wanted plants that are low on maintenance, so in case if I forget to water them, they don't die straight away.
So these are the plants that I bought. This is a spider plant. It's got these really long grass-like leaves. It's supposed to be tough and hard to kill, which is great because I don't really know much about plants. The second one that I got is this rare Aglaonema plant, one of the easiest of all houseplants to grow and also the most stylish plant.
This stunner shows off dark green leaves elegantly flushed with bright red or pink. Its colorful foliage makes rare Aglaonema a perfect home decor accent.
Approved by NASA for its air purifying qualities, golden ferns are easy to grow. They are favored for their soft feathery leaves that help get rid of air pollutants.
My mom gifted me this plant when I told her about this project.
She got me this beautiful peperomia, which is one of the favorite indoor house plants. These plants like warmth and bright light, but do not need direct sunlight. I also got money plants and a few succulents for my room as well. As you see, these plants come in this pot, which is not really attractive. So I went ahead and I bought these colored pots which match the vibe of my room. So I'm going to be transferring these plants with its soil into its new pot.
The process is going to be really messy, so make sure you lay down a paper and use gloves. I got some extra soil, so I'm putting that in first and then I'll place the plant over it and cover it with some more soil. Much like humans, plants enjoy each other's company. So I'm grouping peperomia and aglaonema together on the bedside table. As for spider and golden fern, I will be placing it on a floating shelf below my window.
As you see, I'm done with one part of my room, but I still feel that there should be more plants around. Being tight on space, I'm going to be utilizing the space next to my window by making hanging planters, which won't even take up any extra space. So for that, I have a golden money plant, which I will be hanging using a cotton rope.
Measure 1 meter on a cotton rope and cut it. Once all the ropes are cut, grab them together and tie a knot. Place it on a flat surface and divide the ropes into 4 groups of 2. Grab 2 ropes and tie a knot about 5 centimeters away from the big knot. Do this for the remaining ropes as well. Split apart the rope you just knotted and take 1 rope each from the first and the second knot and make a new knot. Follow this process for the remaining ropes as well. Now place the pot in between and grab all the strands to tie one big knot. To hang the plant, use a stationary ring and put it through the knot. What I really love about this DIY is that it literally cost me nothing and the end result is so fascinating.
My workspace is an important part of my room as I spend a lot of time reading or surfing on the net. So So I thought to place small succulent plants as they're super cute and add a pop of greenery.
Plus, researchers claim that keeping plants around your workspace will make you happy and more productive. So, I went ahead and got pebbles and a small glass container. I'm filling the container with pebbles halfway and placing the succulent plant in it with some soil and again covering it with some more pebbles. I made one more which also acts as a perfect bookend.
I love how my room looks now. All this green is making me feel very calm and connected to nature. If you feel like your room is missing something, this might be an option for you to try. Plants add an elegant touch to your room and fill it with positive vibes and soothing energy. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any favorite plants. Also let me know if you'd like to see more videos on home decor. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.